Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox the Whitestone Dome Glass for your iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro. So what I have here on the table is the iPhone 12 Pro, and this is a screen protector. So before you start using your phone, you should really apply a screen protector. Otherwise, if it gets scratched or cracked, then it can be very expensive to replace later on. Okay, so when you are purchasing one of this package, what are you supposed to get? Let's take a look on the inside. So I'm just going to see which is the opening end of this package. The package very tight on this package here. The glue is quite strong. Okay, so the box. Inside the box, there are a few components in here. So you got the installation guide, and you got the UV light over here. So this is the dome glass UV curing machine. So there's two components in here, and then here is the installation guide, and this is the packaging. So you got the absorbent pads. So you got absorbent pads right here. This is the tools that later helps you to install the glass. So you got alcohol wipe. You got dust absorber. So these pads here are used to absorb the excessive liquid on your screen. So we're going to use it later on. And this here is to wipe off any dust that is on your device. And let's see how many screens you're going to get within this package. There is also an installation guide that you can use. So I'm just going to place that to the side. And here we got the installation guide. So the installation guide is quite comprehensive, so you should have no trouble reading that. Okay, so there are some tape, masking tape. This one we will be placing on the buttons of your device so that the liquid will not go into the buttons, causing trouble later on. And here is the glass. So you get a single glass with this package right here, and you get two liquid adhesive. Now you only need to use one of this bottle. So the other one is a backup. So in case if you mess it up, if you didn't do it correctly the first time and it forms bubbles or something like that, then you can take it off, give it a good clean, and then try it again with a second bottle. And this tray here is the installation guide, so that helps you put your iPhone 12 in here, and then you can put the adhesive onto the bridge, and then that will allow you to put the glass on. Now in the next video I will do an installation guide showing you how you can put the dome glass on your iPhone 12 Pro. So I'm going to do, this is for the iPhone 12 Pro, so I'm going to do it on the iPhone 12 Pro right here. So there's only one glass, so just be careful when you're installing it. And this one's supposed to go into this tray right here. Now the benefit of using the Whitestone dome glass is that the glass is super smooth. So this one here and this one here, this one is really a cheap version of a screen protector. Now you can even look at it and you can tell the difference. One is very clear and one is not. So this one here kind of like milky. It doesn't provide a very transparent, clear looking. Whereas this one here, Whitestone, it is very clear. I'm not sure if you can see it from the camera, but when you look at this dome glass, it is quite clear. And another benefit is it is really smooth. So once you place it on top of your iPhone screen, you will not even notice that there is a screen protector, because it feels almost or maybe exactly the same as the original. They are very smooth when you are swiping on your screen. So it gives you a better responsive, and when you swipe it is more responsive, so it doesn't miss out your swiping or your touching on the screen. Another thing is the glass will also go all the way all the way out to the edge of the screen right here. So that's how far it will go on your iPhone 12 Pro. And the way we install this is we put the liquid adhesive onto the screen, and then after that we put the glass on, and then we will use the UV glass UV machine to cure the adhesive. Whereas the cheap version, all you have to do is you're just gonna peel it off and then you stick it onto your device. So this one here doesn't work as effective, and it will not be as responsive as the Whitestone Dome Glass. So that's why if you're going to spend quite a lot of money on your iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro, you might as well get a very good screen protector, so that when you are using it, you are getting the maximum benefit of your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.